What is up, YouTube? I'm Jim with Jimmy's Barbecue. I'll get this fired up. Got a brisket I'm gonna pop in there, and we're gonna see what Big Bro can do. And we'll talk about some of the features and benefits as we go through the video. I'm a gadget freak. I just love the gadget. But we're gonna set our to set it, just press the button down and click over to the temp that you want. We're gonna cook this brisket at 250, and you can't see it very well because of the daylight. But as it gets darker, I'll show the display. Right now, it's showing me that the fan's going. The glow rod's ignited, and when the auger starts to turn, matter of fact, I'll hit the prime and it will light up the auger. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah, the auger is being turned right now. And this blinking icon right here basically is saying it is connected to the Wi-Fi. You go to set up your Wi-Fi connection. You have to choose your model of the cooker that you're using, and you get to name it. And I gave this one the name Big Tasty because it's big and everything that comes off of it is going to be tasty. All right, YouTube, I wanted to show you a couple things. There's the smoke. Oh, it smells awesome. I'm going with the competition blend for this cook. Because of the burn-in and what I cooked previously, this is why I did what I did. I went ahead and covered this piece right here with foil. It's vented, so I went ahead and opened up the vents. And this is the water tray. I went ahead and put some foil on that because it was a bear to get that stuff cleaned off of there. So that's what I'm doing. I did that on the 3 Series. The water pan, I always put foil on it. Matter of fact, the book suggested it also. So I didn't do it on this one because I was doing the burn-in and I wanted to really get everything heated up and burn off all that manufactured stuff. When it gets darker, I'll show you the lighting. The lighting is plenty bright enough to handle any kind of business you need to take care of inside the cabinet during the cook. We can get this closed up because it's trying to preheat. Also, I will touch on the ash deal. Another thing, this is closed up. On the other cookers, my first item of business I would break out the shop vac, suck out any ash out of the fire cup. Don't have to do that the way this is set up. Also, this bad boy can hold some pellets. This thing will hold almost 100 pounds of pellets. 98 pounds of pellets. This beast take you to the next level here. There's our smoke coming out the stack. Yeah, I'm gonna get this brisket trimmed and seasoned, and we will get it in the cooker. We'll be back. Yeah, about there, we get it closed up. Get on with this cook. Now, I want to also share another feature that I really like about, that I love about this cooker. It's like the designers had. Get y'all a little closer here. Right here, underneath the interface, storage for the probes. And right here is where you plug them in. And then once you plug them in, you run the wire out of this little hole into the cook chamber. Tell you what, man, this is nice. I love that because it's sanitary. Your stuff ain't in a drawer that's got other whatnots rolling around on them, and I like that. Keep them separate, keep them clean. And this is a great place. Man, I'm just excited about this cooker, man. I can't wait to see how. Now, forget my glasses there. When I go in the bright light, they tend to tint up. I ain't trying to be Joe Cooley on the smoker, you know. I'm just Jim. And these glasses are a little bit high tech, so bear with me on that, man. I'm so excited, man. I just love, man. I can't wait. And we'll be back. All right, YouTube, here we are. We're 1 hour into the cook. Allowing you to see the interface, how awesome it looks. Now, one thing I will point out to you guys, or highly recommend, that when you're cooking on this, I know that when I was doing the burn off, I had to keep an eye on that water. That's another thing. On the water pan, it is stamped into the pan that you must keep water in it, or else you could result in damage to the cooker. So you gotta stay on top of that water pan. You can see right here, if I have probes plugged up, this is where I will insert a probe after the 3rd hour, so I know when I'm getting close to my stall, because I do wrap, and that's usually about the 160, 165 range. So right now we're just an hour into the cook. I'm ready to crack open this, turn the light on. You get ideas of what the cook chamber looks like. Look at that. Check our water there. Yeah, we need to add some water. We'll do that. Do the spritz here. See a little chunk of meat back there. That's gonna be done real soon. So, but yeah, beauty. Look at the color already. 1 hour into the cook. It's beautiful. This is so beautiful. Yeah, I am excited. Overly excited. Yeah. Look at this. I tell you, man, the only thing missing off of this bad boy is a button that you can manipulate from the app, where you can press from the app, press a button to say spritz the meat, because it pretty much took care of everything else. This is incredible. Now, speaking about the app, I did talk to the people at the Smoke It app. A question I have for them, because I wanted to use my iPad, Smoke It app on my iPad, and they told me they are waiting for Apple to give them the okay, or they're waiting on Apple to give them the okay that it's compatible with the iPad. So if you try to use your iPad and have problems, that's why. So we'll be back. All right, YouTube, we back. This is hour number 3. I went ahead and inserted my probe. Let you get a look there. This is our internal temp right now. So when we get up near the stall, we'll wrap. We'll be back. All right, YouTube, we are in the 4th hour. Check it out. Man, I love the way that lighting lights up the cabin. Nice. Thank God for LEDs. Alright, we'll give it another spritz. Oh, Lord, this looks nice. And we will be back. Man, that looks good. Also, look at that color. Wow. We'll be back. Alright, YouTube, we are here at hour number 5. Still hold about 250. You can see our internals about 162, 63. At this point in the juncture, we are going to wrap the brisket. Pop on the light. Let you get a look. Look at that, baby. Look at that color. Okay, we're gonna get her nice spritzed up and get her wrapped up. Watch you get that little spritz on there, man. Beautiful. Just beautiful. We'll go ahead and get it wrapped up. We'll be back. This thing is incredible. It smells incredible too. Alright, let's get it wrapped up. We'll be back. Alright. Here we are. We at 197. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. So with that being said, from the previous video, we're gonna dial it down. Take it down to 200. Let her cool off. Then I shut it off, and then we're gonna get this in, let it rest, and I'll slice into it so we can see how it turned out. And we'll be back. Check that out, YouTube. Look at that smoke ring. Magnificent. How juicy this bad boy is. Man. Thoroughly impressed. Beautiful smoke ring. All right, gotta try a piece. Yeah, give me a moment here. I'm not exaggerating, but I'm picking up notes. It has to be from the pellets. I'm tasting because I'm a savory type of guy. There's no sweet, nothing sweet on it, but I'm picking up just a slight sweetness. It has to come from the pellets. I had that similar sensation when I tried the ribs out the series 3 series, and that's what really piqued my curiosity. And I cooked a lot of stuff in that little vertical smoker, a lot of stuff, but I haven't made it public on YouTube. But thoroughly impressed. Wow, thoroughly impressed. I tell you, all I can say is, man, if you don't have one, I think it's worth it if you like to have good barbecue without having to babysit fires and all that. It's worth the money. Like I said, my very first video on YouTube, I wasn't too impressed with the quality of the product that came out. I was curious. There's people winning barbecue contests using pellet grills, and I just couldn't understand it. I said, but after understanding how it works, what makes it work, I'll tell you, that's why I'm here today with this new cooker, and man, it's awesome, man. We'll get into details of all that, but this is, and I'm thoroughly satisfied and impressed, and just, man, and happy. I'm glad I have it. But enough yab. Hey, thanks for checking us out. Thanks for stopping by. And man, there's more to come. That thing is incredible. I love that machine.
I want to wish you much success on your next cook. And I want to thank you for watching.